Good day everyone. We are the Group 5 and we are here to present our activity 1 to 10 of motor control and our group leader is...
Hi, my name is Chris J. Rio D. Alcones and my member is...
My name is Noel Cueto.
My name is Faris Enriquez.
My name is Manuel Gualter.
My name is Gloria Guillermo. And we are the group...
Laboratory exercise number 8. Multi-station motor control with status indicators. Problem statement. Design and implement a motor control circuit that satisfies the following conditions. 1. The motor starts when either start push button is pressed. 2. The motor continues running after the start push button is released. 3. Pressing any stop push button immediately stops the motor. 4. After a stop push button is pressed, the motor must not restart unless a start push button is pressed again. 5. The green lamp lights only when the motor is running. 6. The red lamp lights only when the motor is stopped. 7. Student must create their own motor control and power circuit diagrams. Explanation.
Line 1, going to normally close stop button. And line 2, connected to 96. And line 1, going to M1. And line 2, going to M2. And A2, going to 95 and
M2
and A2, going to light, green light. And 13, going to 21. And 13 going to
Normally open.
push button.
Start push button.
A1 going to
Normally open. Start button.
Yan lang.
Push button.
Push button going to normally close. Push button going to normally close push button. And another one, normally close button connected to normally open.
Start button.
Start button going to normally start button.
Normally open. Start.
Normally open start button.
Red light connected to green light and ano ito? Green
A2.
light connected to A2 and so on.
Red light is connected
Red
to
light is connected to
14.
14.
Ito ba?
14 normally open.
Oh, okay. Then,
T1 connected to TNT connected to motor. So,
for manual testing, pataas ng ano. Yan. Yan. Push. Push button, start. Release. Other one. Release. Stop. Push button. Press. Press. For actual testing, turning on the circuit. Start push button. Stop push button. Start. The other. Patagalin mo konti. Start. Stop. Start. Stop.
Thank you.